Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Recently, we went to replace the old broken fluorescent lighting in Mom's laundry room. We found some really cool LED fixtures from Costco and have been installing them in a few places around our homes. We first turned off the power to the old light. While we were taking down the old light, we discovered that the wiring for the light had been just hanging out of the ceiling with no proper electrical ceiling box. In order to mount the fixture properly, we needed to first install a proper electrical ceiling box. For your enjoyment, this is the moment I discovered the problem we had. Just realized there's no box there.
Oh. So what does that mean for us? Does it have to be just screwed into the drywall?
And no, Mom, we can't just mount it to the drywall. With a little research, we found that we could install an electrical ceiling box designed for existing construction, which is called old work boxes. They have 3 swing clips, and that's what secures the box to the drywall. Before we installed it, I went to the attic to ensure we were not going to encounter any obstacles. I was having trouble finding the location, so Mom, from the inside of the laundry room, stuck a video scope through the hole so I could follow the light. And while I was in the attic, Mom could see me on the video scope. When I moved the insulation, this is what I found. There was a ceiling joist right by the wiring, and the rest of the area was drywall, so I made note of where I needed to cut the hole for the box. I figured out the placement of the box and traced around the box to create a line. I attached some plastic to the ceiling to help collect some of the drywall dust. To cut the hole, I'm using a battery-powered Dremel fitted with the Dremel cutting kit. I went slowly when cutting the hole. And this is not a perfect circle, but the fixture will cover it and no one will know the difference. You can also cut the hole manually with a jab saw. I took the drywall circle out and put the new electrical ceiling box in place. There's a little flap on the bottom that you push and it makes a hole for the wires to come through. Booyah!
Yeah.
I went on to install the light. This is the mounting plate that needed to be mounted to the ceiling box. And here's the light all done. If you want to see more of the install of this type of fixture, watch this video right here. And if you want to see more home improvement projects, you can check out this playlist right here. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking on our face. See you next time.